Hi, it's Scott Harris from Brown Harris Stevens. We're going to talk about 169 East 69th Street, apartment 11D, which is at the corner of 69th Street and 3rd Avenue. This is apartment 11D, and this is on the 11th floor, facing south, west, and also has some north exposure. We're going to go in the apartment right now. You see, this is a 6-room apartment in a full-service cooperative with 2 bedrooms, 3 full baths. Take a sweep around the apartment. You can see where the bedrooms are, and we'll take a look to the right here, which is the occasional room, which could very easily be a full-time 3rd bedroom. You'll notice crown moldings throughout. And now we're going to take a look into the living room, the living portion of the living and dining room. Now take a look to the south, overlooking 69th Street. High floor, very quiet, and facing south, very, very bright. We're now going to take a look at the kitchen, which features a picture window, granite countertops, tile backsplash, custom cabinetry, which we'll sweep around and take a look at now. Then we'll go around and we're going to take a look at the washer dryer. There's also a full bath in and off of the kitchen. Here's the washer dryer. It's a stack unit. Now we're heading from the living room past the dining area. We're going to head into the occasional room. It's being currently used as an office and home, playroom, place to hang. We're now looking out of the window to the north, and you still get great light pretty much from all angles, everywhere you are in the apartment. This is the secondary bedroom. You'll notice that both of the bedrooms are corners. So you have exposure to the west here, overlooking townhouses, so you get wonderful afternoon light. This is a large space. You'll look at the floor plan and see the dimensions of these rooms. They are rather large. And there's a large closet in that bedroom as well. Now we're in the master bedroom. Again, we're facing south and west. Just out of the shot, there's a large closet. And there's also a walk-in closet in this bedroom. We'll now take another look out of the south-facing window over the gardens of the Rudin building there. We're going to go in reverse order of the bathrooms. This is the bathroom off the kitchen. This is the secondary bath that serves the 2nd bedroom. Everything was renovated. It's in beautiful condition. We're now in the master bathroom. Floor to ceiling tile work. Take one more sweep around the apartment. A wonderful space for entertaining and for living in a full-service co-op on the Upper East Side.